Good morning student. Today we are going to start the E-classes. In today's video I am going to explain first lesson of maths rational number. I already sent PDF of this lesson in your group. For maths you have to make the separate notebook and whatever be the things here I am going to teach that you have to note down in your notebook. Now, introduction for this lesson is, first I am going to explain the types of number. First type is the natural number. Now what is natural number? The counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are called the natural number and it is represented by capital N. Then second type is whole number. Now what is whole number? 0, the natural number including 0 is called a whole number. The set of number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the whole numbers. Now next type is the integer. It is represented as capital I. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the integer. In set of these numbers, natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, negative numbers are there. Then set of all these numbers are called integers. And we know all these types. Now today we discuss about the next type, that is the rational number. Now what is the definition for the rational number? Now it is already written, a number expressed in the form P upon Q, where P is the numerator and Q is the denominator here. Okay. Where P and Q are the integers and P and Q are the integers, and one condition is given there, Q is not equal to 0, then that number is called a rational number. The number which is in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are the integer and Q is not equal to 0, then that number is called a rational number. Here I write some example. 2 upon 3. It is in P upon Q form. 2 and 3 are the integer. Here we see the integers. Okay. Therefore, this number is called a rational number. See the second example. There is -5 upon 6. Again it is in P upon Q form. -5 is the integer. 6 is the integer. Therefore, this number is also called a rational number. Now tell me, 3 is the rational number or not? Yes. 3 is also rational number. We can write 3 as 3 upon 1. If there is no denominator, means in denominator there is 1 and 1 is also the integer. This means 3 we can write 3 upon 1, that is P upon Q form. Therefore 3 is also called a rational number. Now next, similarly -4 is there. -4 we can write -4 upon 1. Again it is in P upon Q form. -4 and 1 is the integer and Q is not equal to 0, that is 1 is not equal to 0. Then that number is also called a rational number. Now what about the 0? 0 is also the rational number. 0 also we can write 0 upon 1 and 0 upon 1 is what? 0. This means P upon Q form. Therefore this number is also called a rational number. Here I write -8 upon -7. Both numerator and denominators are negative here. Again it is in P upon Q form and P and Q are the integers. Therefore this number is also called a rational number. See, here we see the different example of the rational number. Now here from that, here we explain what is positive rational number and what is negative rational number. Now 2 upon 3. Now what is positive rational number? The rational number in which numerator and denominator having the same sign, then that number is called a that rational number is called a positive rational number. Now in this example 2 upon 3, in which numerator and denominator both are positive, therefore this number is called a positive rational number. Now what about this number? Here in this rational number, numerator is positive, denominator is negative. This means one is positive, another is negative. Then this rational number is not the positive rational number. This rational number is called a negative rational number. Now 3 upon 1, this is the positive rational number. -4 upon 1, this is the negative rational number. 0, it is not positive or negative. Now what about the next example, minus 8 upon minus 7? Here the numerator and denominator both are negative. This means in numerator and denominator same sign is there. Then according to definition, this rational number is called a positive rational number. Students, I hope you understand the difference between the positive rational number and the negative rational number. Now we see some example from the practice set 1.1. Okay. Now here I take the second example of second question. What is the second question is given in your textbook. Write the following rational number in their standard form. Now first let me explain what is standard form of the rational number. The number which is right in their simplest form and the denominator of that number is positive, then that rational number is called that rational number is in the standard form of the standard form. Now here 18 upon minus 29 it is given. Okay, we understand this rational number is in simplest form. Okay, there is no common factor, but the denominator of this rational number is negative. This is the negative rational number. So we can write this number as minus 18 upon 29. Okay, number is same, but here we change the negative sign in denominator to the numerator. Okay, this number is also the negative rational number, but the denominator of this rational number is positive. Therefore, this is the standard form of the rational number. Now we see the another example. Example C, it is given minus 21 upon minus 49. Okay, now both are the negative. We can write as 21 upon 49. Okay, now denominator become positive here and is simplest form. These numbers are divisible by 7. 7 3s are and 7 7s are. Okay, then 3 upon 9 is the simplest form of this fraction or rational number. Okay, and the denominator of this rational number is positive, therefore it is in standard form. In this way, you have to complete the B and D example from question number 2. This is homework for you. Then see the question number 3. Now what is the question number 3? Express the following rational number as directed. Here two questions are given A and B. Here I explain the A. Okay, 20 upon 25. This rational number we have to express with 12 as numerator. This means in numerator we have to write 12 there. Okay. Now what is the rational number? 20 upon 25. First we write the simplest form of this number is equal to 4 upon 3. This 20 and 25 is divisible by 5. Therefore 20, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So 4 upon 5 here we get, this is the simplest form of the rational number. But here we have to express this rational number as numerator 12. Therefore by which number you have to multiply the 4, then it is become 12. This is by 3. Therefore here I multiply the numerator by 3. Then we have to multiply the denominator by same number. Okay. Therefore 4 into 3 and 5 into 3, here we get 12 upon 15. This rational number is equivalent to the given rational number, but here we express this rational number as the numerator 12. Okay. In this way you have to complete the second example B. This is homework for you from question number 3. Okay. Now see the question number 4. Now what is the question number 4? Find the absolute value of following rational number. It is very easy. Okay. This is the representation of absolute value. Okay. Here I write the rational number between two vertical lines. This means here we have to find out the absolute value of the rational number. Now say in that, if you have to find out the absolute value for any rational number, if it is negative, if it is positive, always you have to write the answer positive. Then what is the absolute value of 13 upon minus 17? This is the negative rational number. That is 13 upon 17 is become positive rational number. Similarly, see example, it is given 3 upon 7, then it is positive. Then its absolute value is also what? Positive 3 upon 7. Okay. Similarly, you have to complete the B and D questions from example from question number 4. This is homework for you. Okay. Now the fifth question. Now what is the fifth question is given? Filling the boxes with greater than, smaller than and equal sign. Okay. This is the question. This means the comparison of the rational number it is given there. Then how to solve this question? What we have to do? Here we have to do the multiplication of numerator of first rational number with the denominator of the second rational number. On the right hand side, then multiplication of remaining -2 and -4. It is like cross multiplication. Okay. Then multiplication of these two is 1 into 5, that is 5. -2 into -4, that is plus 8. Product of two negative integers, that is positive. 5 and 8 here we get which number is greater? 8 is greater. Okay. Therefore, which rational number is greater? The rational number which is given on the right hand side, it is greater. In this way we can compare 1 upon -4 is less than -2 upon 5. It is very easy. Okay. Then next question. See question. Rational numbers are given -4 upon 9 and 9 upon 4. Again same method here we are doing by cross multiplication. -4 into 4 on left hand side multiplication, on right hand side multiplication of 9 into 9. Their multiplication is -16 and this is 81. Okay. Now we can compare -16 and 81. Which number is greater? Always positive number is greater. Therefore this number is greater. Okay. Therefore which rational number is greater? -4 upon 9 is less than the 9 upon 4. In this way you have to put the sign greater, smaller or the equal. Okay. From question number 5, what is the homework? B and D is the homework for you. This is all for today student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.